Hello. So this is Angela's, basically her tutorial video for I Saw Three Ships. The first thing we're going to do is review the meter, and that's just going to tell you kind of how the rhythm is supposed to go. So here we have a quarter, half note, quarter, half note, quarter, half note. And most of the song goes back from quarter, half note, except for here when it goes quarter, quarter, quarter. That's a dotted half note, half note. So 3/4, that means that there are 3 beats per measure, and the 4 underneath that 3 is the quarter note, which means that the quarter note is what gets the beat. So basically there are 3 quarter notes per measure. That's 1, 2, 3. The dotted half note is beats, so you just hold that for the whole meter. And here's a half note, 1, 2. Angela and I talked about this in our last lesson. The place where that third beat goes is at the beginning. There's that missing quarter note. So that's beat 3 from this last measure. That doesn't mean you go back. That's just how they have the song. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And that's kind of how it's going to go. So if we kind of play this through, apologize, I'm having to hold it with my hand as I play with my right hand. So here's how it's going to go. I saw 3 ships sailing in on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. And going again with the beat being counted. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we're on that last line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's how that's going to go. So now that we have the rhythm, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to get into the hand position again. So they actually tell you up here, that is middle C. 2 black keys, there's your C. So what we're going to do for Angela, she knows how to find middle C. You find the brand of the piano, it's right there at the very center. Find the closest 2 black keys. There's your C. So find the 2 black keys closest to the brand of the piano. There's your C. And this is your hand position. And you only need to have your right hand up there. This is only a right hand song. There is no left hand. So if you just put your thumb on middle C for your right hand, you're good to go. And you don't even necessarily have to read the music. You just have to follow the numbers. So for the right hand, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The thumb is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So on the page, they have the numbers listed there. And basically, if you don't see the number next to it listed, you can guess that it's probably the same. So this is 1, 1, 1. The next one is 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 4, and so on. So we're just going to kind of try and work through that. And I'm going to be having it down here so you can see how it goes for my fingers, and then we'll follow on the page. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. On this page, not all of the numbers are listed like I mentioned here. It gets a little bit complicated down here, but it shouldn't be too much of a trouble. So let's go over this again, but looking at the page. So let's try and do it line by line here. So here we're just going to work on that first line. I'm going to flip it sideways. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. So here's how it's going to go. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, at the second line. 3, 1, 1, 3, 2. Next one, these next pattern of notes, it's the same as this one. This note is on the same line and this note is on the same space. So it goes 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. And this is middle C. Middle C always has that line through it in case you forget. If it has a line through it and it's all of these staff lines, that's middle C. So we're going to play that. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 4. And we're going to keep going. 3, oops. 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's the tutorial lesson. I will send a separate video of just my hands playing the song so she can copy if that works out better for her. But I hope this was helpful.